Hello everyone, this is Rudy, and we're doing the countdown until Friday, October the 23rd, when Robertson Genis will be coming into town, and to talk about geocentricity. This is one of the many books that he's written. Galileo was wrong, the church was right. The evidence from modern science. This is the 7th edition, and I put a little nugget here. This is George Sagnac's, I don't know how to pronounce that word, Sagnac, that's the way a country boy from Texas pronounces it. But George Sagnac's 1913 interferometer experiment. And it goes on to talk about this particular experiment is kind of pushed to the side and nobody discusses it much like they do Albert Einstein. But basically, he put together a rotating interferometer, and the results of his experiment was quite amazing, and it did prove that the speed of light is not constant. Matter of fact, I think it's right here. Let me find that. Which holds that the speed of light is the same for all observers, does not hold. That's what Sagnac's experiment showed. And the movie that Robertson Genis put together, gwww.dvd.com is where to go look at it or to purchase it, talks about how geosynchronous and geostationary satellites have to do a Sagnac adjustment, which would not have to be done if indeed the speed of light was constant when electromagnetic waves travel east, and also when they travel west. There's an adjustment that has to be made when they're traveling in one of those directions. It's quite an amazing video, and I think it's just very, very interesting. It's aligned perfectly with biblical scripture that the earth does not move. And he just covers every single, argument that you think you have that the earth goes through space and goes around the sun. Robertson Genis gives the scientific counter argument from a geocentric perspective about the speed of light and, just everything else that you can possibly imagine. But this morning I had printed 300 flyers. Let me put the thing on. Yeah, that's it. Is that right? No, that's not right. There we go. All right, sorry about that. So this is our flyer. I got 300. Most of them are black and white, but I had a few color printed. So hopefully you guys see that. Come here, Galileo was wrong. Come here, Dr. Robertson Genis speak. There's the details. Okay, 1321 Rowan Avenue, Dallas, Texas, Friday, October the 23rd. We'll start a reception around 6:45, and it's at Fair Park Bible Fellowship. And of course, that's Dr. Robertson Genis. And here's some of the websites that you can go check out, as well as my phone number, 972-839-9848, and that's his Principal Movies Facebook page. And you can go there, and all of those websites, GWW-DVD, if you're really a nerd, geeky guy that likes to dive deep into the scientific aspect of it, you got to get that DVD right there, gww-dvd.com. The principalmovie.com is mainly, I think, for more general mainstream audiences at a high level. And then he has a website where he has tons of blogs and writings and animations, GalileoWasWrong.com. Of course, that's the scripture, 1 Chronicles 16:30, and the earth that it be not moved, the world also shall be stable, that it be not moved. Now, my wife has put together a Facebook page, and I'll put that link in the information bar so you can come and sign up for the event. If you want to help me promote it and pass out these flyers, give me a call or send me an email address at ruddavis@yahoo.com. And I'm going to be passing out these flyers to Southern Methodist University. Maybe I'll go on campus. That's where I graduated. And believe it or not, I graduated from there, SMU, with a degree in electrical engineering. I have a minor in mechanical engineering. Not that that means anything. It just means that, basically it means warning. You've been to a fancy institution and been indoctrinated with a bunch of crap. But hopefully I broke through a little bit of that crap that they tried to put in my head. But I do believe that Dr. Robertson Genis is telling the truth. I believe he's got his act together scientifically on this particular topic. And we've got some flyers here that need to be passed out. I'll be going to various churches. And we got 300 of them for just $20. So that's a pretty good deal, right? And then I got some color ones as well. So someone also recommended that we Eventbrite. Eventbrite is another good way to promote an event, so I'll be looking into Eventbrite, and of course my wife has the Facebook page set up. So that's about all for today. We're going to do this. We're going to promote it as much as we can. We hope you come. Good, friendly people. Bring all the questions you want to. We're going to have a question and answer session after Robert Sungenis gets a chance to speak. And just be glad to have you and fellowship with you. And bring whatever questions you feel like is on your mind. And I'm sure Dr. Robert Sungenis can provide answers to those questions. All right, that's it. I'll put the Facebook page that my wife is putting together, and we're going to look into Eventbrite. If you have any suggestions for me, don't hesitate to send me an email or give me a call. God bless everyone.